Used wheelchair van buying tips. Instead of buying a brand new wheelchair van, you can opt to get a used wheelchair van. Ideally, you want to contact a qualified evaluator about your particular needs, including limitations of the wheelchair user, seating requirements, and additional equipment that's to be installed in the van. From there, you'll want to contact companies that are capable of reconditioning old used wheelchair vans with modern equipment necessary for the wheelchair user. Ideally, making sure you get warranties on parts provided to your used van along with a good service plan, because sooner or later you'll need it. To make your used van more affordable, it would prove wise to talk with your insurance company about getting a good rate for your van. You can also talk with organizations that offer nonprofit grant programs, veterans associations, and state departments. Simply use www.google.com to find their contact info. You can also purchase a well-conditioned van at low cost and then take it to customization shop to mold the van to fit your particular needs. To find a suitable wheelchair van dealer, you can go to www.google.com and type in used wheelchair van plus your city. Of course, in place of your city, you would insert your actual city or a big one near you. A decent list of websites belonging to dealers should pull up. From there, you want to contact these dealers with a plan in mind of exactly what your needs are for purchasing a used wheelchair van. Take into consideration that if you're buying a used wheelchair van for business purposes, then you have to make sure you'll comply with consumer safety laws and regulations. So be sure to tell your salesperson the exact purposes of your van.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Transform your old articles and ebooks into brand new audio content and use it to create podcasts or videos for your YouTube or TV channel. Visit allsuper.info and ask our live support for details.